All right, and a few more examples here to finish off this section. So let's look at what happens if we throw a bunch of these transformations together. So let's say, for example, let's graph, and I'll do 3 parts here. Let's say part A, let's do y equals negative x plus 2 to the third power minus 7. So I have an x plus 2 to the third power, but it has a negative out in front and a minus 7 at the end there. So the way this is going to work, let's take a look at this. We know it's going to be our snake graph, and we have the third power there. The plus 2 is going to move it to the left 2. The minus 7 is going to move it down 7. And the negative is going to flip it upside down. So instead of starting on the bottom and going up, it's going to start up and then go down. So there is our snake graph, but moved to the left 2 and down 7. Also flipped upside down. And another example, let's say y equals the absolute value of x minus 3 plus 2. Okie doke, let's take a look at that. So we have, it's going to be our V-shaped graph. The minus 3 is going to move it right 3. The plus 2 is going to move it up 2. And then we'll have our regular old V-shaped graph there. And let's do one more. Let's say part C. Y is equal to negative square root of negative x minus 4. All right. Let's see how this works out. So we know we have a lot of things going on here. We have a minus 4, so that's down 4 on the outside of the function. We also know it has a negative in front of the square root, so it's going to be flipped upside down. And we have a negative in front of the x, so it's going to be flipped left to right as well. So our shooting star is shooting down and to the left instead of up and to the right like it normally would be.